Now in short we understand how the expression forms. Okay, suppose your expression is 4x square minus 3xy. How many terms are there? Here how many terms are there? Two terms. First is 4x square, second is minus 3xy. Now what is the factors of this? So for this 4x x, these are the factors of 4x square, and for this minus 3x and y, these are the three factors. What is the coefficient? For 4x square the coefficient is 4 and minus 3xy the coefficient is minus 3. So these are the expression in terms of tree. Tree-like structure you will get. Expression for any kind of expression, if you have 4x square minus 3xy we have taken over here. There are two terms 4x square and minus 3xy. If you do the factors, for 4x square the factors are 4x. For minus 3xy minus 3xy. What is the coefficient of this? 4, and for the minus 3xy the coefficient is minus 3. So this way we can understand the concept of expression, terms, factors and coefficients. Now we will understand the concept of like and unlike terms. See in your textbook. When terms have the same algebraic factors, they are like terms. When terms have different algebraic factors, they are unlike terms. For example, you have given one example. Suppose you have 2xy minus 3x plus 5xy minus 4. This is your algebraic expression. In that we will identify like terms and unlike terms. So suppose you consider when terms have same algebraic factors, they are like terms. Suppose we have 2xy and 5xy. When you take the factors of 2xy, it is 2 into x into y, that is 2 and x and y. For factors 5xy, we have 5 into x into y. We cannot consider the numerical values, but we have to consider the factors which contains variable. So here x, y, xy. Factors are same. Okay, for 2xy and for 5xy, algebraic factors are same. So what we can say? 2xy and 5xy both are like terms. Okay, in other terms, the variables are same in both. Such kind of all the terms are known as like terms. Here variable is x and y. Here also variables x and y. Variables same. Such kind of terms are like terms. Another way also you can identify like terms like this. Second, we have when terms have different algebraic factors, they are unlike terms. Suppose you consider 2xy and 3x. What is the factors of 2xy? 2 into x into y. The factors of 3x is 3 into x. We cannot consider the numbers, numerical values. Now compare the variables. X is there but y is not there. So algebraic factors are not same. Or you can say variables are different. In one variable is xy, in other variable is x. So variables are not same, that's why they are unlike terms. Suppose you consider 5xy and 4, they are also not a like term. Why? Here variables are given, here only constant term is there. So these two terms are unlike terms. Suppose you have 3x and 5xy. Same, 5 has two variables x and y. And 3 is only one variable x. So that's why these two terms are unlike terms. So this way we can compare and identify like terms and unlike terms. Next we will see monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. So now let's understand the concept of monomials, binomials, trinomials and polynomials. So monomials means what? Any algebraic expression which contains only one term is known as monomial. For example, 7xy minus 5x square, 10xy, 10p cube, such kind of all expressions are like terms, so it becomes phi x, so it is monomial, it is not a binomial. So that's why it is mentioned that any algebraic expression which contains two unlike terms, they are known as binomials. For example, x plus 3, 5xy plus z, 10xy plus 11, they all are binomials. What is trinomials now? Same way, any algebraic expressions which contains three terms. Here also you have to mention unlike terms. Suppose you are writing x plus 2x plus 3x. And if you consider three terms are there, so these are trinomials. No. When you add this, 3 plus 2 plus 1, so it is 6x. So nothing but it is a monomial. Suppose you consider x plus 2x plus y and think like that this is your trinomial. Again it is wrong. Why? These are like terms, so it becomes 3x plus y. So what kind of this term? This is your binomial. So that's why everywhere we have to mention that here two unlike terms, binomial, here three unlike terms. That is known as trinomial. That is x plus y plus z, 2x plus 3y plus 5, 10pq plus q plus r. So this way you can identify monomial, binomial and trinomial. Last we have what is the concept of polynomials. So any algebraic expression with one or more terms, they all are known as polynomials. Means monomial, binomial, trinomial, they all are considered in terms of polynomial. They are also polynomials. This is the concept of binomial, trinomial and polynomials. You can go through your textbooks. Definitions are already given on page number 233. So we have cover of like and unlike terms, monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomials. On the basis of this we have exercise 12.1 that we will see later on.